Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your crew language on War Thunder application. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch open your War Thunder application on your preferred device, and once you're logged into the account, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up appearing on the screen, tap on Options. Now choose the language option from the left hand side menu and get to the voice over language at the bottom. Select the language from your voice over language option and you will be able to change the language of your crew. Now your crew members will speak the language from your selection. So that's how easily you can change your crew language or your voice over language on War Thunder. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.